kind of got you guys a little wet. Welcome back to Anthony Marshall Auto Garage, and today on the channel we are cleaning my Grand Cherokee.
Yeah, my life be like, yeah, yeah, my life be like, yeah.
I've let this car go for a very long time now, and I can't handle it anymore. It's got a bunch of imperfections in the paint, and today we're going to clean it. I'm going to show you the method that I use to clean cars. Works the best, doesn't leave any marks. Stay tuned. Alright, so welcome back. This is all the stuff that I'm going to be using. A power washer, a foam cannon, some car soap, 2 buckets, and obviously a hose. Now I use the 2 bucket method because I'm going to have a bucket with just water in it. That's going to be this one right here. And you have a bucket with soap in it. So what the 2 bucket method is you get your car soap on it, which is that bucket over there. You rinse it, put more soap on. So what we're going to do first is we're going to do a touchless wash. What a touchless wash is I'm going to get the car all wet and put some soap in my foam cannon. I'm going to spray it. I'm going to let everything drip. Then I'm going to spray it again with the foam cannon. I'm going to hit it with my microfiber knit. You want to use these. These capture all the good dirt stuff in the car that you're trying to get out. Then you're going to need towels. You need good drying towels. Good drying towels is going to make that thing going to shine. Alright, so now what you're going to do is you're going to start with your power washer, get the car wet, and hit it with the foam cannon and let everything drip off. Now that the car's wet, you're going to go get your foam cannon and hit it with the foam cannon. Now let that sit on there for a little bit. Now's a really good time to get some nice photos. So what the touchless wash does first is all the loose dirt particles that are on the car, it'll get it all off, make it easier for when the hand wash happens. So now what you're going to do is you're going to rinse the car off, hit it with the foam cannon again, and then you're going to hand wash it. So I'll be right back. I'm going to go fill the foam cannon again, and then we'll hand wash it. Now we get our buckets, and we hand wash it. Whenever you're washing the car, make sure you follow the same pattern. So, dunk, soap, follow the same fluid motions. For you guys with this part, let's fast forward it.
Drop it.
Now you're going to go get your drying towels and start drying the car. Want to follow the same fluid motions, go the same direction to avoid getting swirls. In this video, 2 bucket method is you have 2 buckets, one with car soap, one with water. You dump your mitt into the one with soap, wash the car, dunk it into the water, get off all debris, put it back in the soap, and you do the touchless car wash method first. Get the car wet, hit it with the foam cannon, let it drip off, hit it with the foam cannon again, and then hand wash it. Now drying towels are very important to get it that shine and not leave swirls or watermarks. Best ones in the market, drying towels specifically for drying cars. You can do a whole car with 1 towel. best stuff I ever bought, best things that were ever invented. As always, thank you for watching. Please make sure you like, share, subscribe, comment, hit that bell button for notifications. And if you ever want to see anything else on the channel different than what I'm doing that's related to cars, just ask down in the comments. I have a whole garage of stuff. I could basically do anything. Thank you for watching Anthony Rushka Auto Garage. Peace. Thanks guys for watching. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, comment, and I'll be back with more videos. Peace.